Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today I'll be teaching you how to animate your name with Scratch. So let's get started. Okay, for today's project we don't need the cat, so we're going to delete the cat. Okay, for this project we don't need a backdrop, just leave it like this. So we'll go straight to adding our sprites. Remember, we are animating our name, so under category you select letters. Okay, so we have the letters of the alphabet. As you can see, we have different letters with different colors, so you can pick from any. Okay, so I'm going to pick the first letter from here. You okay it. As you can see, you can drag it and keep it swell. Okay, so I'm going to add another. Remember, it's later. Okay, this time around I'm not going to use this, so I'm gonna scroll down to choose from here. Okay, so I'm going to okay it. Okay, so I'm going to bring it closer. Okay, so we program for the first letter. Okay, so it says when green flag. Remember, our when green flag is found in events block, so you drag it out. Okay, when green flag, click. The next thing, we want it to animate forever, so we're going to control and bring out the forever block. Yes, so now we'll go to looks. Go to looks. Under those will say change color effect by 25. Okay, so that's the code, but that's not the end. We're still going to add something. So if I play it, let's see what happens. It's too fast, so we still need to add something. So we'll go to control, wait 1 second. Okay, so let's see. Wow. Okay, so we stop it, and so we'll go over and add all letters, then we'll animate them one after the other. So let's go into the programming.
So after coding for the first letter, you are going to duplicate the code for each of the letters. Right click on the code, click on duplicate, then you move it to the letter you want to paste, then you click. That is how you duplicate. So we do it for all the letters of your name. When you are done doing that, okay, so you play it and see how it goes. Okay, so you can see how it goes. So the name is actually changing colors. So that is how you can animate your name in Scratch. You can make it full screen. You can actually make it full screen. Okay, so that is the end of the video. So thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video.